Introduce the Garmin Vivoactive 4s, the ultimate GPS smartwatch for tracking your fitness and wellness. This smaller-sized watch keeps track of your energy levels, pulse ox, respiration, menstrual cycle, stress, sleep, estimated heart rate, hydration, and more. Take your music with you by easily downloading songs and playlists from Spotify, Amazon Music, or Deezer and connect with headphones for phone-free listening. With over 20 preloaded GPS and indoor sports apps, including yoga, running, and swimming, you can record all your ways to move and reach your fitness goals. Get personalized and animated workouts right on your watch screen, including strength, cardio, yoga, and Pilates. The watch has a battery life of up to 7 days in smartwatch mode. Personalize your watch with thousands of free watch faces, apps, and widgets from the Connect IQ store. Stay safe with incident detection and assistance features, and make payments with ease through the Garmin Pay contactless payment solution. Stay connected with smart notifications for incoming calls, text messages, and calendar reminders. Reach your race goal with the help of the free 5K, 10K, and half marathon training plans provided by the Garmin Coach. Upgrade your fitness journey with the Garmin Vivoactive 4s.